Thank you, Deputy Secretary Palm, and thank you, Attorney General Garland, for inviting me to be part of this announcement today. I am Christi Grimm. I am the Inspector General for the United States Department of Health and Human Services. I am incredibly proud to represent OIG's phenomenal criminal investigative agents, digital investigators, and data scientists. Their tenacity and tireless work produce exceptional results day in and day out for Americans. Law enforcement actions like the one we're announcing today are only possible because of the strong partnerships we have with HHS and our law enforcement partners. The invaluable work of the Medicaid fraud control units deserves recognition. The investigators in these units are deep experts in complex state Medicaid programs and Medicaid fraud schemes. Today's national enforcement action underscores the government's resolve to shut down healthcare fraud wherever it appears and in whatever form it takes. The government is using sophisticated data analytics to rewrite the fraud-fighting playbook. With the power of data, analytics, and technology, we can detect fraud and stop it sooner. And together with our public and private partners, we decrease the amount of money going into the hands of wrongdoers. The enforcement action being announced today includes allegations that providers were involved in a scheme with a startup telehealth company that purported to diagnose and treat ADHD and used deceptive advertising on social media to target prospective patients. Telehealth and other technologies hold great promise to improve healthcare, but in the wrong hands and used for the wrong purposes, the consequences can be devastating. As alleged, this scheme resulted in many disturbing harms, including patients being prescribed Adderall and other stimulants for no legitimate medical purpose. We're also cracking down on schemes that trick Medicare enrollees into obtaining expensive genetic testing without regard for medical necessity. Again, I commend the exceptional work of the dedicated professionals in my office and our partners in this successful enforcement action. I'll now turn the microphone over to DEA Principal Deputy Administrator George Papadopoulos.